So welcome to Tutorial River. In this video, I'll show you how to buy Ethereum from your Binance account. You see, if you open up your Binance, then you can already see the ETAs, Ethereum. But if you don't see this option, then suppose I have $25, then go to market option. Then top right corner, you have to enter Ethereum. ET is then you can see ETAs USDT. This is so that's the Ethereum. So you can see the current price is Ethereum is currently down. So if you want to buy, or you can also sell from here, this area. Suppose I want to buy it, so press on buy. Then you can see this option, uh, sell or buy. I am to buy. Then enter your amount. Suppose I have only $25. I am entering the $25 Then you can see the amount you are able to buy, 0.0099. This one. Suppose if you have a $3,000, or you want to buy Ethereum with a $3,000, then you can see you able to buy 1.19 on Ethereum Plus actually. So if you have only $20, just then press on buy. Then you can see the insufficient balance is showing. So you have to transfer or P2P trading. That's mean you have to buy more USDT from your Binance, or you can transfer it or deposit with your crypto by using other payment or a debit or credit card also. So once all done, then press buy Ethereum. Then you can buy Ethereum, and it's deposit on your this Binance account area. So that's it. This is how you can easily buy Ethereum or Bitcoin from your Binance. It's the safest way, so don't worry about it. So thank you very much. Have a good day.